from the remedial actions of the public protector that the RTMC, the Road Traffic Management Corporation, needs to retrain the unlawful and unconstitutional unit in Gauteng. However, the RTMC is a shambles in and of itself. It's broke. Its CEO is suspended at the moment, and it further shows why this whole thing was ill-conceived and why it became illegal and unconstitutional.
In this instance, these crime prevention wardens were envisaged to try and address a crime issue specifically in this province. And now it's gotten a bit more serious, because behind that, and really this is about cash, behind that was a massive amount of funding which is now unrecoverable.
It needs to be recovered. I mean, if it was unlawful and unconstitutional, we have to find the money back.